play this. All right. Whoa, hold on. What did I just see there? Oh no, that's something else. All right. So, what do you got going on today? What are the vibes today? What are the vibes today? Margot's baby. Whoa, look at that new camera angle. Let's go.
That angle.
That angle. Damn, son. Alright, stream. Did you get dubbed? No, I didn't. Like we played like what's his name?
Emmanuel.
What's your name on Warzone, Andre?
Abundant wave.
Abundant wave, bro.
Oh, we played Abundant Wave. And you know, it was tough. It was tough. We can get a win, but we'll get one this week. I didn't play the rest of the weekend. All right, so real quick. Today, you have nada. Canada Bank holiday, and 9:45 you have news. We'll be off at 9:45, so we don't have to worry about news today, which is a good thing. All right, and for some of you guys, might be a bad thing. Some of you guys like having buys and sell stops, but for us, I'm not like trading news, right? Obviously, so I am perfectly fine with days where we have no news, where we have no news, and today we just have no news, so perfect. But it is a new month here, and if you can see here, starting off with gold here, I believe gold for me today, for the most part, or for the week, is bullish. I do expect price to continue up for the week. However, today I am bearish due to the fact that we closed bearish yesterday. So or Friday, if you can see, if you look at this right here, we had create a resistance right around here, right? So we create a resistance for one, and number two, you close bearish to create that resistance. So we're not just rejecting, we close bearish. So I do expect today that as long as price respects this kind of high, the previous kind of daily kind of high, which is right here, we should be able to come down towards the next level of support, which is down here at like the 1790 level ish, I want to say. So I am looking for sells today. However, drop them down to, I think, oh yeah, sorry. So I was gonna speak on a weekly time frame. So you see how like I was bullish for the week. So as long as the week respects the lows, so same concept, the lows, which is right here at, what is this? 1792.795. As long as you respect that lows, you should be able to drive up, or drive up stuff for the week. So they kind of could come all the way down, but it just can't break that low. And I believe that low is like at 17. Yeah, this low right here. It just can't come all the way down to this low. So my target for a day is gonna be like this support right here. But if we break the lows for the week, then you have a high chance that the week kind of would continue down bearish. But yeah, I am bearish today, looking for sells today. If I'm looking for sells today, I'm looking for sells. If price were to break below, perfect. Right here, we didn't move during the Asians. That's a good thing. I look for sells if you break below the support right here. All right. So if you get a closure below here, then you have a high chance that price may continue down towards the next level of support. Next level of support for me will be around this mark right here. So perfecto. All right. This range right here. So I'm not sure how big this range is. Let me just calculate real quick. Looking like a 35 pip range. So not bad at all. All right, coming down. That'll be perfect. There's that. Moving on to GJ here. GJ for the week is bullish. I'm looking for buys this week. I'm expecting that wick to get filled for the week as we're breaking back into this range here. I'm expecting price to push up like so towards the next area of resistance for the week, which is right here at the 154.450 mark. With that being said, I think the daily time frame is also, let's see, the daily time frame is bearish, however. So same situation we're in as gold. Same exact situation where the weekly is going the opposite direction of the daily. However, it's fine because I'm bullish for the week. However, I'm bearish for today. So the thing about this is that the weekly lows is all the way down at like 151,300. So as long as you respect 151,300, which is like down here, I want to say this low right here, then it should be goody for price to drive up still. So I am expecting prices to continue down today due to the fact that we created a resistance right around here last week, and then we closed bearish right at resistance, confirming price has a high chance to continue down. We did tap my first target for a day. However, my first target was very short. It was like right around here. And my next target for a day is gonna be down here at the support, right around like these areas right here. So at 151.600ish, 151.700ish, around that range. So I'm looking for sells, expecting price to drive down towards that area, like so, for the rest of the day. All right, that'd be perfect. But yeah, looking for a sell today. So if you drop down to a smaller time frame, you're probably wondering where I'm looking for sells at, and I believe I'm looking for sells right below here. Perfect. So you have a support right here. That's pretty a nice support form there. So if you get a closure below like so, then you have a high chance that price will continue down, coming down towards the next support at 151.852. Perfect. All right. So range to go down is around, let's see. This range is on GJ, a 33 pip range. Not bad at all. 30 pip range on average. So price sells below here. Below here. Oh. Closure. And then on gold here, same thing. Sells below here. Closure. If you're asking which one I'd rather take today, GJ or gold, I believe I would rather take both are very super clean traffic below these both ranges. I think GJ. I would rather take GJ today. If I were to pick, right? However, like I wouldn't mind taking gold as well, just because like they're both overall still clean as breaking below that range there. So lovely. Lovely, chat. Good morning, chat. So pretty simple analysis. Pretty simple start to the month. Because it's the first day on the first week and the month, be neutral, be careful, full makeup bias, guys. We talk about this every day of our lives. Regarding if it's the first day of the month, last day of the month, first day of the week, last day of the week, middle of the week, not the middle of the week, doesn't matter. Every day we're gonna do the exact same thing, create the same buys, following the same exact steps, the same formula, and then taking trades with the same 4 or 5 sells that we would normally take. You know why? Because thinking that, oh, it's the first day of the month, it's the first day of the week, be careful, is an emotional thing. When you see like the reason why people like usually don't like taking trades on the first day of the month or first day of the week, whatever, is because they think that those days have low volume, which can be true. However, you'll see volume when volume is there. There's no need to guess if we have volume or not. Today there's a shit ton of volume. You can tell there's a shit ton of volume too, right? And you can tell when there's no volume in some days too. Like we talk about this almost every month. I think everyone has this whole thing that a lot of people have this whole mystery thing that you know, Mondays and Fridays are days where the market likes to take your money, and it's like that's just so emotional. I don't really believe in those. I used to believe in it, don't get me wrong. I used to believe in that. I used to say don't trade Monday or Friday, only trade Tuesday, Wednesday. Guys, look back at our trades. What days do we win the most trades on? Monday and Fridays. Those are the days we win majority of our trades on, right? So regarding if it's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, like if you follow the same concept, or if I follow my same concept, my results will be the same overall, long term. Right? I've taken a loss on a Wednesday. I've also taken a loss on a Monday. I've also taken a loss on a Friday before, right? So I've taken a loss on all the days of the week, but it doesn't mean now I'm just gonna stop trading it because there's no volume, right? When there's volume, you'll see volume. You normally follow? I am following the bias. The day bias for GJ today is bearish today for me, and the day bias for gold today is bearish for me as well. They're both bearish for me today. Are we setting the win streak for the month? Yeah, there's no well, there's no win streak. Oh, is there? Wait, yo, we went on trade on Friday, right? The last trade? Or else Thursday?
Yeah,
Thursday trade. Yeah. No. I was saying like we tank our win streak. But for our record for August is like obviously 0-0. It's first day of the week. I'll change it later. I would change it later, chap. You know what I didn't do? TikTok live. I knew something felt empty here. TikTok wasn't there. Okay, so let me go on live here. Yeah, I went skateboarding yesterday. For the first time since like grade, like I don't know, grade 10 or something. It's been a while. I can't do any tricks, obviously, right? Well, I can. I can only do an ollie, but just can't chalked. Flip. Second. You caught a GU buys. Nice, man. Bad Beagles. Good trades. Speaking of that, I got your charts real quick. So I got your charts for stream. If you have your charts for your stream section, if you have charts for your stream, send them in the charts for your stream section in the Discord server. Right around here. I'll show you this. This server right here. Right? Go on Discord, our Discord server, link in the description or ! Discord, and join the charts for stream. Click on it, and then from here, this is where I check all the charts. So the good thing about this is, and like saying on YouTube, is that on YouTube, I kind of miss your chart sometimes. Whereas this, I see each and every chart. So you know the vibes. All right. Jordan FX, we're at 630. Damn, before we started. Looking for sells below 152.370, waiting for a closure. 2, only looking for a pullback, create resistance, then I'll take sells back down to retest lows for the onion play. Correct. 3, only looking for a sell today because the daily is bearish. Yep. Just started my second 100 FTMO account. Anything is possible if you put the work in. 2 years ago, I didn't even know what trading was. Trading changed my life. W Jordan FX, man. 2 years ago, damn. 2 years ago. Good stuff, Jordan. Ooh. Marcos.
Papa.
Can you look up at the camera?
Why? You zooming in on me?
How high is how high is the camera?
It's just on top of my monitor.
Holy shit, bro.
Which is on top of my lifted desk.
Damn, son. You got a giraffe angle right now. Where to put it? I mean, it's fine there. It's unique. You know, it's definitely very unique. But it looks like a giraffe's POV.
Almost kind of looks like a hidden camera. Like Marcos doesn't know it's there.
That's the best part. Keeps the viewer engaged. You feel special.
Yeah, like we're spying on you.
Yeah.
I mean, you got the best camera angle of everyone. Call Marco short. Imagine that's just his height.
I'm standing.
You're standing right now. Why do you choose GJ to trade? I understand gold. Do you really understand why though? Because if you understand, you would know why I trade GJ. Alright, if you understand why I trade gold, you understand why I trade GJ. So do you really understand, or do you think it's because gold has the most volume? Let's trade gold, right? Is that why? The reason why I trade GJ and gold is because GJ is only moved by the pound right now for a New York session, and same thing with gold. Nothing else moves gold. I don't like trading pairs where two currencies move at the same time. For example, GU, I hate trading GU. EU, I hate trading EU, just because, especially during this session, because you gotta focus on two currencies at once. So would you mind taking spin onion play? Right there, onion play. Yeah. Post my chart on Discord. Nice. Oh yeah, I gotta look at more charts. I'm sorry. My Yusuf. Sell below here 1 hour closure. Buy above here 1 hour closure. Range 2 breakout, I guess, right? 1, 2. Yeah, so that makes sense, I guess. But I think you should put more text to your chart. I mean, I understand it because like we trade similar, but everything gets in a chart. Send it as if you were to explain to a person that was trading for the first time. They don't know anything. GJ, nice. That was below here's level. Same thing. Perfect. Add more text. However, I understand. It makes sense. Again, second chart. Sell below here. Okay. Sell below here. Hi Don, thoughts on this trade? My trade today. Any thoughts? So, 1, we are bullish for the week, but daily I'm bearish because we closed bearish at resistance and today we broke daily lows. 2, we closed bearish at resistance. I wait to get bearish closure at resistance. 3, I entered a sell position when we broke previous 15-minute lows to retest the low of the range. I closed fully at 9 pips due to the fact that we closed without bottom wick on the 30. Perfect. Yeah, nice, good management. You closed full because you understood that, you know, price closed with no bottom wick here, meaning that there's a 50-50 chance of it going down or not, which it came up after. Perfect. So good closure, man. Good closure. Good risk management. It was a good trade. Very good trade. Alex 777 here. Buy above here, break current daily high, fake out zone 1. Nice. No trade range. Nice. How about sells below here? I think yeah, sells below here too, right? Oh, there it is. Yep, sell below here. There it is. Love it. Yeah, I like that deal. Fake out range, fake out zone, fake out range 2. Wait for a closure below it to change your bias. Take bias above that resistance for price to drop up. Perfect. That's a range 2 breakout. Yep. 7. Oh, okay. All right, McLaren style. Okay. Please read this completely. You won't regret. I ain't a fib guy. This is a chart on Friday. That is 2 days ago. After marking my zones as our strat, I started to hear the fibs talk on the stream. So simply the fib and I drew it. I want to know, why does this work? Why does price pull back to that zone that is considered like a heavy by McLaren? Is it because they are waiting for a price there? Please share your experience in using fibs. This is the zone I'm talking about. 70. Again, it's just RNG, right? Price will reject normally at the 38, 61 or whatever, 70, 78. 925, 0, it traces at each and every given point on the fib, even the 38 retracement. Like, again, the reason why I don't use fibs now, because I understand like that me waiting for a closure at resistance is stronger than me just entering a sell or a buy limit just because we're tapping that fib. There's no confirmation for me in that by using a fib, right? And yeah, we just now wait for a closure. So in this case, you got a resistance being formed there. You got a closure at resistance. You can then take sells come down to retest the lows as our bias is bearish for the onion play, right? So that's the reason why I don't use fibs anymore, just because like, I rather wait for a closure than rely on price tapping a magical number and then taking my sells down. However, I used to use fibs, and again, me using fibs before in the past, I was doing the same thing. I was just predicting a level where price will reject that and then take my sells off of that rejection. Coming down. I'm not saying they don't work, but what we do now is I'm a lot more consistent and more profit, and it makes a lot more sense to me, right? But that's my experience with the fibs. But yeah, that was a pretty well thought question. I thought it was a McLaren entry. Yeah, it's not bad. Good question. You know, I oh my god, I didn't click live on TikTok. Oh lord, I just left it here. Like, whoa, where's this guy? Where's Control FX at? They're late today. Oh, GJ is pushing below the range, chat. You played Cold War? Yeah, I don't like it though. I played it a couple times. This is the last time I played it, and I uninstalled the game after this.
Cold War is better than Warzone.
Yeah.
Warzone's chalk.
I don't got the clips on that. Fuck.
Everybody, that was Marcos. That was not Andre.
That was Andre.
Everyone gets us confused. That was not me.
Damn, I got no Cold War clips anymore. Okay, the game's bad anyways.
Yeah.
The movement is different in Apex. The Warzone movement is a lot more, I say, intense than Apex. Apex, you slide and shit, cool, slide, jump for like that speed, momentum movement. But Warzone is a lot more chaotic, I think, I believe. Warzone, right? Cold War movement is completely chalk. That's why I don't play it. I don't know. I play Apex. I think I honestly like Warzone movement a lot more in Apex. It just feels a lot cleaner. Apex is more chaotic? I don't think so. I really don't. I don't know. I'll show you my movement. Like, I was warming up, right? But like, this is Warzone movement. Tell me this is more this is less chaotic than Apex. Oh my god.
GJ closure below the range.
Oh yes. Did it? Not for me. Oh no, it's about to. I see you. Below 152, 185. Yeah.
It was.
It was.
More.
Yeah. Costumes weekend, yeah. Watch AC. I do watch AC. I watch him, but I still think it's Original's movement's a lot crazier. That's the only Apex player I watch. He's cool. Yeah. So gold here. The 1 hour candle closed bearish at resistance here. Oh, nice. Closed bearish at this resistance here. You would expect the WAP play or onion play here. So what happened here? Look at the 4 hour candle, right? If you look at the 4 hour time frame, we closed. The 4 hour candle starting to reject there. The 4 hour candle created a high here, didn't break the previous 4 hour candle high here, and now starting to reject slowly. So with the 1 hour closing at resistance now, like this, you would expect price to continue down towards the next level of support, like coming down towards 1806 here. So I am looking for sells here. That's actually not bad for sells. However, I believe you need a top wick being formed there before we could take sells coming down to fill the range. There's no top wick in this current candle. And GJ on the other hand, with the 1 hour close bearish, right at support. So right at the 1 hour support. You need a closure below like 152, 185, or minimum below 152, 212 on the hourly, and just reject it. So there's no sells yet on GJ. Gold looks not bad at all. Perfect. Gold has a top wick now being formed. How big is the range? Let's see.
I was gonna say the range is kind of chalked.
It is kind of chalked. That was at least a 1-to-1 there. Damn. 21. It was a 1-to-1 if you enter your opening, but if you get a decent wick, you can probably enter in your opening with the candle. have like a 1-to-1 R.
On the flip.
Yeah, but you need a decent wick for that. If you enter, I was looking at enter on a break of the lows, but I just calculated the RR and it's definitely not there on a break of the lows. It's a 17 pip target.
The R is still not 1-to-1 though, right? It's like a 22 to 19.
Yeah. Wait, what? Sorry, on a break of the lows?
No, on the flip.
On a flip, I think it's a 21. 21. Around 21. Because like even if like the subs that I wanted today were subs below 1806, coming down to like 1802. So like that's probably gonna be my runner TP. Cause I'm expecting prices to really continue down there as a 4-hour candle or as a 4-hour candle flips to continue down towards that support in the daily time frame. So I'm gonna consider that my TP instead for overall like a range of 61 pips. May not even close half. Let's see.
You're gonna get in on the flip here when we reflip, or
I want to see how big of a decent wick we get, how nice of a wick we get on a flip. Cause I want a nice wick on the flip, maybe like a 10 pip or something wick to enter on the flip. Yeah. If the next candle creates an upper wick and then break the lows, can we take an impulse to sell? No impulse entries 2021. No impulse entries. We don't take impulse entries. We never take impulse entries anymore. Yeah, how many pips is a decent way for you to enter on a flip? Obviously, like it depends on like how big the ranges are, kinda, and how big is the last candle wick, how big is the last candle high of the or body, right? Size. So, like since I'm entering on a flip, I want more of a decent wick. However, if I were to enter on the lows, I'll just enter as we break the lows, and like I wouldn't really mind how big the flip is. But 1 hour candle on gold here has flipped here. After creating a nice wick here, didn't enter a position yet, obviously. I needed a bigger wick than that on a flip. Like for example, like if I were to enter on a break of lows here, this wick here can literally be like 4 or like 5 pips. I wouldn't mind it. It can be a decent wick. But since I kind of want to enter on a flip, I would need a bigger wick in this case. Congrats on 8K subs. Don, keep it coming. Hey man, thanks for showing up right there. Thanks for showing your support and your love. AC is nuts. Yeah, no, like he's the reason why I wanted to play Apex. Apex is it's a fun game. I'm kind of lazy to learn the in and outs of the whole game, like I did with Warzone.
How you feel about 30-minute celery play? Current candle high for like 14 pips.
Sorry. Current candle highs on the break of lows or on the flip?
30-minute celery play.
Oh, 30-minute celery play. They ain't bad. 14 pips for like 15 pips. Or like TP runner. You're looking for sells too?
Yeah, I got a sell stop here at 1808.
30-minute celery play.
06. This current 30-minute comes to break the previous 30-minute high. I'm gonna delete my sell stop, but if we come to break that low, then I'll have a stop loss at the current candle high, 1809. And my first target at 1806.53. Okay, Tyler, it's got the same sell stop. See you.
Nice. 30-minute celery play. Stops are around 15 pips here. I was looking at that too. 15 has a look. 15. Nothing. What's your TP? 1806.5.
1806.62. 30-minute support.
That ain't too shabby. Yeah, for here it's an overall, like, well, for my TP, well, stop loss is the same, right? So around 14, 15 pips. TP would be down here for 57 pips. Yeah, they ain't bad at all. Would you consider starter play even if it closed below the hourly support? Sorry, above the hourly support? Yeah. In this case, yeah, because you have this range go down now, right? You have this extra range go down, so I'm expecting this range to get filled. The only issue we have here is like the support here. Like this is where you want to question the trade. Like, are we gonna break or are we gonna not? So, you gotta place a sell stop on a 30-minute starter play actually. Right around here. 1808.15, 138. Nice. And then regarding managing risk, I'm probably gonna look to move my style to break even as you come down to tap the support here to the left. So around like 5-6 pip mark around the support here. So that's when I'll be break even, because I understand that that's a logical level where price may reject that. But overall, our TP is gonna be down here at like 1802. So and stocks will always be the current candle highs, wherever that current candle high is. However, if it breaks the highs, then we may consider closing the sell stop. However, it'll still be respecting the 1 hour highs, so high chance it could break and then still continue down. But let's see. Do we ideally wait for at least a 15-minute close, or would a 5-minute close below support on GG? In this case here, you probably want a 15-minute closure, minimum 15-minute closure. But if you want a 15-minute closure, your support's gonna be down here a little lower at 152.7 or 176. You probably want a closure below there instead. But on a 30-minute time frame, a closure below 152, 185 would be fine. Oh, pushing up. What's up, DVS? What's up, DVS? Hashtag stay DVS. Do you have that command in the chat? No, right? What am I doing today? What am I doing? Somebody keyboard warrior over there. On which time frame should a range 2 breakout happen, or the time frame doesn't matter? I'll say a 15 or 30 minute time frame would be ideal. 15 and 30, as long as it shows like those 2 ranges overall, right? So yeah, like in this case, for GJ, like let's drop on a 15 for example, I'll consider this a range. So this will be my first range here. 1, 2. In this area, this will be our first range. Range 2 will be this area right here. So this will be a whole range for me. So sells will be below here. If I were to switch my bias, right? Obviously, we're bearish on GJ. So we could take sales anywhere in this range coming down. By the way, this was a fake out last night, right? During London or whatever, during Asian London, a fake out at the price push above the resistance on a bearish day. So that ain't bad. It was during London, yeah. Waiting for a close below 30-minute resistance at 152, 192. Looking left using 30-minute time frame. We have a clean 33 pip TP range going down. Nice. Bias for day is bearish, so we are looking for sells. Nice. Days bearish, weekly is bullish. Yep. Perfect. I like how you put these numbers here. 4 hour, 30-minute, 1 hour, and 4 hour. 33 pip range going down. It's definitely not bad at all for that range. Same thing I'm looking for. Right? What pair was that? That was GJ, 30-minute time frame. Yep. DD, the chart, fundamental day and gold. One range to breakout to your range. It tested the breakout range. Correction, economy starts to stabilize. Range one, breakout, retest. Looking for correction on gold to 1500. 1500. Nice. Yeah, 1500. Nuke, what's up, man? Entered as price closed below and made a top wick. Nice, man. Good chart. Would you consider this a support here? Unless the 30-minute time frame was different. Let me check real quick. GJ on 30-minute time frame. Where's the 15? When did this happen? This happened at that support right there. This support right here. Right? Was it the wick fill? Yeah, that was a wick fill. So at that support, I guess you had some range going down. You had like a nice 6-hit range going down. Oh yeah, and 30-minute time frame. Yeah, wasn't bad. I get that deep behind it. Enter sell as price close below, made a top wick, and then after screenshot, ooh, nice. 1, 2 went break even after price tap this support here. Nice, good stuff, man. Yeah, good management. You took advantage of that support there. The reach stopped at break even, close full at 10. Wait. So you gotta stop at break even and then you close full at 10? I'm confused.
I mean, I didn't mean to put stop at break even. I mean, went.
When break even. I got you.
Yeah, it came close to in my break even, so I just typed it just in case, but it ended up flipping. I mean, pushing back bearish. So I posted for the 10 pips.
Nice, bro. That's a clean trade. Clean count coming down.
Bro.
Nice. Oh, we might get activated here, chat. Marcus, are you in this?
No, it didn't get activated. It's like 6 pips.
Or I mean, are you in the self stop?
Oh, yeah.
Nice.
I was like, no, sir.
No, sir, I'm not in this, sir. Yeah, stops right now, chat, are looking like it's gonna be around 14 pip stop loss on his trade.
Made the angle even higher because you asked. So now you can see my tripod.
Okay, TikTok angle. Ooh, pushing. Where we stopped last week, we explained it earlier, but it'll be the current candle high. So it'll be the current candle high, which is a new hourly candle high. It will be right there, because I understand that if you break the lows, this will be your new 1 hour candle. Obviously after creating a high, this will be your new 1 hour high. So as long as price respects that high, price should be able to drive down still. I named my TPB down here at like 1802.700. And yeah, at this point here, I'll move my stops to break even around like 6-7 pips in profit at that support. Stops to break even, and then risk free, and then we'll expect price to drive down towards the next support. 15-minute time from here. We closed bearish here, weak bearish. I mean, it's fine. We didn't really get activated or anything. The trade is not valid, chat, until you actually break these lows here. All right, or at least like I want to say flip bearish and re-break a current candle low again, which it hasn't done yet. Don't be shy. I know you use a dynasty strategy. This is a 30-minute starter play, chat, by the way. Let me just put it here for you. So yeah, for those that are confused. Minute starter play. Right, so we understood that the 1 hour closed bearish at resistance. So originally I wanted sells after we closed bearish at this resistance, coming down to retest the lows. But since our stops were way too big, I decided to look out on 30-minute time frame to see that we had a 30-minute starter play, which is right here. So we understand that if price will break that low, then price will highly likely push down towards the support down here, at which we'll move stops to break even at. Bish. Bish. A lot of charts today. Wow. You nearly slipped and used it. I'm quite new to trading. What are you trading with? What do you mean what I'm trading with? We're using MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, which is connected to our brokers. So if you don't know what a broker is, search up FX brokers in your state or country.
You didn't take anything last night, did you?
Last night?
Yeah.
I didn't look at the charts last night. Why, Asian was popping or something?
I don't think it was popping. I caught an L last night on gold.
Which one?
We had an hourly closure below the range, a 30-minute closure below the range,
This
and 15-minute seller play, and a 5-minute closure below the range, all at the same time. I thought it was a pretty good trade, and then it came back to hit my stops.
What time?
To go on the 30-minute, yeah, right here. There. This candle. Closure below the range here.
How about this?
Hourly.
Oh, the hourly.
Yeah, the hourly had a nice top wick, but then right after I got stopped because that 30-minute had no top wick.
Ooh, we're about to get activated here. Lock in. About to get activated here. Why does your broker have to be in your country? Well, if your broker doesn't support your country, then you can't trade it. You can't trade that broker. Our brokers in Spain. I live in the US. Well, do they support your country? Like, do they allow US clients to trade? Right, that's what I mean by like they have to be in your country. They have to support your country. Yeah, I mean, unless it doesn't support your country, you're on a VPN or something, then you just expose yourself. FBI, we got him. How's that go? We got him. That little meme.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen, we got activated here. Got in a sell position here as price broke the lows there. My stop loss is the current kind of highs right here for around 15 pips. TP is down here at the support for around 58 pips. Chat, after we come down to tap this minor support here at around like 6 pip mark, 7 pip mark, I'll look to move my stops to break even at like 1807, as this is a very minor support formed right here. So
Activated like 4 pips in profit.
yeah, the thing came straight down to TPR to profit. Nice. Pushing.
Pushing.
Spread 5-6 pips for good for a raw account. I think a little big. I'll say try to go look for a broker that has on a raw account at around like max like 2 pips max, and that's a high too. Like you're usually looking for like 0.05 or 0.00 to say to like 1.5, right? There's a lot of brokers out there. There's a lot of brokers that offer it too. So
I think I heard you say that you're contemplating on not closing, just moving stops to break even and letting your runner run.
Yes. I may consider doing that today on this trader.
Just because you feel like that 4 hour looks clean to flip and push, or
yeah. Yep. Also, I noticed like a lot of times, especially with the WAP play, price would just usually push straight through that support, and like because like normally on a WAP play, like those are the entries where we wouldn't get an entry because we wouldn't really close below as we want. So I'm expecting this count to really drive down past the support, but again, chat, like minimum I'll be stops at break even, and then as we're like maybe 20-30 pips in profit, I'll look to move my stop loss to 10 pips in profit. But yeah, a bit different to managing risks. It's the same thing though. You guys could look to close half a 10, especially if you're looking to leave runners or anything like that. Close half a 10 and then or close full at 10, whatever it is that you want to do. I think regarding managing risk here, I believe as long as this 30-minute time frame closes below, I want to say like this support here, we should be goody for the next 30-minute count to drive down like this. But we have about like 5 minutes left in this 30-minute candle, so let's see what happens there. If we close above, I may consider managing risk, but let's see how we close here. I'll let you guys know what I'll do. Just because if we close above, we're still gonna be bearish. If we close bullish, however, that's when I'll look to close half. But let's see what happens. We have a lot of time left. 4 minutes left for first 30-minute candle closure. Marcus, get activated?
Yeah, I'm active.
Nice. How about you, the fame? You in positions too, or this wasn't it for you?
Yeah, bro, I got in on the break of the 1 hour lows, so it was like a little earlier than the 30-minute. So
Oh,
like
the current 1 hour lows, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
At
Nice,
the very
nice.
bottom of it.
Lovely.
But same as you though, I need this current 30-minute to close below 180843.
Andre, how are you gonna deal with this 30-minute candle here? Or how are you gonna deal with this 30-minute candle here?
If the 30-minute candle closes above the previous 30-minute candle but still bearish, I'm gonna close half my position, kind of like how you said. If it closes as it is now, then like, you know, right at our entry, then I'll just chill, let it play out. Still have like 30 plus minutes in this hourly candle, and I'm gonna move stops to break even at that hourly support, and I'm gonna try and go for the same thing. I'm not gonna close anything and use my runner position at 180216.
I like the idea. Same idea I have. Nice. Time exchange broker. Yeah, no emo and former UA. 300 to 30 leverage.
It's a big difference.
Yeah. Time to switch it up. What is the start replay? Exclamation point start replay. Okay, we have a minute and a half left, right? So if we close, I want to say bullish, I'll close my position, my positions in full. However, if we close, if you close bearish below or respecting the support, I will look to close half my positions, because then we'll be respecting the support. You really need a closure below here on the 30-minute candle for a nice push on the next 30-minute candle to drive down, because if you don't get 30-minute closure now, we're gonna have to wait for the 1 hour candle to close, and the 1 hour candle is gonna close in about 30 minutes, right? So the 1 hour must then close below 1807, because we're expecting that to close below before the hourly closes, obviously. So let's see. Oh, we have a minute left here. Price is obviously, we're in a 4 pip drawdown here. Price has rejected, so let's see. If you get a closure above, I'm gonna close it, the positions, and then I might look to enter on a new hourly candle after the 1 hour candle closes. Mm. 23 seconds left. 18. This closure ain't looking like we wanted, obviously.
We closed doji. I'm just gonna close full here
Yep.
for like a 8 pip loss or something like that.
Chat, I'm gonna close my positions here due to the fact that we close bullish right at that support. So respect that support. I'm gonna wait for the hourly candle to add a position, but in this case I'm closing here because we didn't close below a support that I wanted here in a negative, like around like a 6 pip loss right in this trade here. So I'm looking for a position still. Overall, like the overall position still makes sense because we didn't break the 1 hour highs yet, but I'm just managing risk in this case, especially since I'm using the current candle stops and it wasn't the previous candle highs. But I'm looking to see how this hourly closes here in 30 minutes here, and once you get that 1 hour closure, I'm looking for more sells coming down later on. Tommy, you know, like just because you told me something doesn't mean I'm gonna follow it. Imagine if I followed the chat for all the trades that we've taken like all the time, right? That's the thing too. Like people don't understand that like trust your analysis, whatever it is. Like if you want to look for buys, then by means take buys, right? But this trade here was like explained, broken down, and all of that, like planned too. It wasn't just like, all right, guys, I'm gonna sell here. You know, it was a lot planned to it. It was a similar trade we took last week, on weeks before. So and if you're asking if I would still take the same trade again, of course I would. This is a trade that I'll always take. Even if we're to come up and hit stops. Go sells negative 6 pips. So yeah, we managed risk there in this case here. I'm gonna wait for this hourly closure in about 28 minutes here, and let's see if we can get a closure below or not. This counter here has no top wick here. However, the hourly still does have a top wick, so. If Don followed chapter, went on a trading account. Yeah. Chat, how did you guys manage risk here? Because I think everyone manages risk a bit differently, and I always talk about it too. Like even in winning positions or losing positions, I always see that people always manage risk differently. So how did you manage risk in this case? Yeah, Jack Fun. Trade's still valid here on the hourly, obviously, right? I got on a flip, got like the better. Nice. Yeah, in that trade there, I took it with a 5 lot, and I lost around $100 on that trade. I also think when I got activated in that trade, it got activated a bit later than usual because there's a lot of volume when we got activated because we came down like straight away 4 pips. So
same thing happened to me. I feel like my my entry definitely got slipped a little.
Yeah. Oh, trade's called. I gotta delete that. Also on Friday. You might get a 15-minute start play here though. I'm not looking to re-enter chat. I'm looking to wait for this hourly closure now in about 25 minutes here. But looking good. Looking like we price wants to push as the Rubik lows. It wants to push down here. Yo, how did you manage risk, Marcos? Are you still in it?
No, I closed at 6 pips.
Nice.
-6, not +6.
Yeah. Someone said they manage risk by staying in.
Nice.
Oh, pushing down now. We're breaking the 15-minute lows here. It looks like it wants to say Ciao Bella coming down towards her. Towards the support there. Yeah, chat, like I said like I would have been fine with leaving the position open still if we just close below like here, right? But you just close above it. Doji 2 above the resistance, so this can also open up with no top wick. I don't know. If you're asking me, if I were to do, do I regret closing? I do not regret closing at all. Even if this trade were to come down, hit my TP now, just because like it's not about like what happens now. It's more so what happens long term, and what are you looking to do long term wise, right? If I were to say, you know, I'm gonna close here today, but on another day I wouldn't close, like that's more of an emotional thing. And again, like emotions change over time, so it's not very consistent. However, by doing the same thing every time, you're sticking to one plan, you get the same results over time. So I mean, yeah, it's
Nuke, you're a menace.
How's you just saying? No, it's nothing. At the sports though. Let's see. We might get a 1 hour closure here, but I'm looking at the stops here. Minimum stops will happen with 1 hour closure is 30 pips. Per 30 minutes doji. Thoughts on that? Yeah, so it closed doji. Respecting the support here at 1804, right? So this candle here can still flip here. Don't get me wrong. Like we have 23 minutes left. This candle here can still flip bullish here and not close below. We'll find out where it closes in about 23 minutes here, right? But yeah, let's see. I'm still confused what's going on. Is there any videos you can recommend to go watch so I can understand? Yeah, I have like some decent. I think what's best is if you continue to show it to the streams every day for a minimum a month or two. I'll say 2 months to get a decent understanding of what we do, especially if you're new here. However, if you do not want to go on the streams and you want to have a quicker way of learning, that's what the course is for. You get more like structured learning process, but obviously that's not free, right? But the streams will forever be free. So if you want to, just show up every day for at least 2 months. Get all this for free, basically. 2 months to get a decent understanding. I'll say like 5 months to get like a full understanding of what we do, but it's gonna take some time. It's not gonna come like easy and quick. A lot of people in the chat have been here for like 5 months plus, and we've seen their growth or ever since. It's been insane. I passed your FTMO using your strategy. Nice, bro. Good stuff. Nice. Keep it going. And now, yo, TY Rec Room, when you come, like, ask questions too in the chat. That's the best way you'll learn. If you just keep asking questions, chat will help you out, or like, you know, people in mods will help you out, or I'll help you out. But even the chat is useful in this stream here. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some water. My throat's dry in here. Hold on. Take over, someone. Anyone.
Looks pretty chalk to me.
Oh, some volume here.
I think it's if we get a 1 hour closure below support, personally staying out. 34 pip stop loss. Even if you try to use 15 or 30 minutes, there's no top wick on those candles. So again, I'll stay out. So for me, it's looking at least 8:30, 8:15, 8:30 maybe.
Yeah, be another hour.
And then GJ chalked.
GJ.
Need that 1 hour to flip, but it closed directly at support previous 1 hour. So perhaps GJ, perhaps, I know it's a stretch, 30-minute onion play at 152.377. You get a bearish closer at that resistance. That wouldn't be bad. On, baby.
What's up?
I missed you.
What's up?
Marcos called me yesterday. I was skateboarding.
You should try doing a kickflip and everything.
Wasn't-
but he ollied.
Ollie wasn't bad, right?
No.
You did ollie.
Wasn't bad. I'm gonna go skateboarding
It
again
was
today.
decent. He had the skater outfit. It was looking good.
Okay.
Got the
Yeah.
SBs.
Yeah,
The
the SBs, the pants, the white tee, the hat.
Chat, how are we doing today, chat? How are we doing today? There's 30-minute candle here on gold here. Obviously, like, it's still fluttering around that area there. It's not really like pushing down as expected off the first like 5 minutes of the candle, coming down towards the support. However, you do have the NYSE or not NYSE, New York opening here in about 15 minutes here, so we may get some volume with the 1 hour closure, but I believe you need a closure below 1806 there. That's to happen. You right, Mongo? Fuck. Yo, I haven't used these terms in so long. Hold on. Sorry. Mongo is left footed, right? Oh no, Mongo is no, I do not ride Mongo. No. Okay, Mongo versus regular.
Someone said, "Yikes, you don't skate."
I'm not a skater. Like this is the first time I'm skating in like 4 years. Nah, I don't ride Mongo. Nah, I used to play skate and all that. Trust me, I used to know all these terms, all the tricks. I can show you guys my tech decks, bro.
Skate back in the day, that game was fire.
My tech spec, I be doing tricks with my tech decks. I got the ollies, the kick flips, pop shove it, front side 180, heel flip,
Yeah,
nollie.
you know they're gonna release a new skate.
Really? When?
What?
Yeah.
For what?
It's like waiting on for it for so long.
Really?
It's, let me see when the release date is.
Oh my god, he had a trailer. There's a trailer for it, right?
Yeah, there is. It's actually pretty fire. It's
Um,
like
will it
let's
be
see.
will it be on PC or not? Right?
It should be.
On Steam?
Honestly, it should be, yeah.
Nice. I'm gonna definitely get that's gonna be my game.
Yep, that's gonna be fire.
I'm gonna get the Xbox. Real life motion. Okay, really? I'm gonna get motion sickness. Okay, I'm gonna update this thing for July, for August here. We're obviously starting off the month 0 and 1 here. But I want to put this here though. So copy. Duplicate. My Spotify crash? Sorry. Oh wow. I copied this like 20 times. I was like, why isn't it copying? I forgot that. Okay, there we go. How do I transform this? There we go. Record for August. August on stream 041. All right, cool. Wait, what? August. Oh, wicks none. What am I doing here? So record for August. Arcade rounded. On stream 0 and 1. There you go. Color. Let me just change the color. Sorry guys, just do this straight real quick. Boom, boom. There you go. All right. Perfect. Cool. We good now. Done struggling over here. I was struggling, man. Like, why does it still say August? Jeez, I hate OBS the way it works here. July. There you go. That's what I wanted to do. Afternoon traders, what's going on? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. What's up, gents? What's up, SK3F? What's up? What's up, brother? New angle, Marcos.
Thinking about it. Thinking of where I could put it.
Do you still have negative or break even months? Nah. No, I do not. Well, I'm open to them. they can still happen, but
I would have one if I could.
Like, yeah, I'm not trying to say like I don't have them anymore, but like I mean I haven't had them anymore in like a long time now, right? So yeah, no. I think the closest I've been to a break even month was maybe May. I think May, right? Was it May, chat? Maybe we had like a 10K a month or something. Like that was the closest I came to break even month, but no, not in the recent I say year or year and a half. No break even months or a losing month.
You still have break even or negative excuse me, weeks though, right?
Yeah, weeks. I've actually had a negative week last week for the first time in like a year and a half, or no, I think we had a break even month, a break even or losing week like a couple months ago. But yeah, it's been a while. But months, no. Yeah, we're trying to someone's break even. Shish. No, man. No, I was saying like that was like the month where I underperformed, I guess, right? My performance wasn't top tier that month, so I didn't do well in May. But I guess can do nothing about it. The volume in May was kind of iffy too. Didn't take many trades. Good evening here. First time here. Had to join. You're here already. There's no way of joining. Chat, I really appreciate us being here today. We have like 500 people watching right now. That's crazy. Again, thanks for 8K subscribers. We're on our way to 10K. If you guys enjoyed the stream, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe. Took a trade this morning. The 6 pip stop loss, or not stop loss, 6 pip closure, because this 30-minute count didn't close where you wanted it to. So yeah. Oh, also I was on talking this as well. If you guys did not close and you guys thought you guys were in good hands as it reflected, yes, see, I didn't close, I didn't listen to Don, and now I'm in good hands to come down here, I'm in profit again, you would not be shitting your pants, because this candle now is flipping bullish here and looks like it wants to drive up to retest the highs, because that's what we initially thought would happen to price as we closed doji above this resistance here, because we respect the support, never close below. So that's why we close, right? There's no if and what's. It's like that's what we're gonna do due to the fact that we closed above. So if you didn't manage risks because you're emotional, then you're gonna get emotional exits as well. Where's Marcos? Oh no, I mean it's right there. Oh, there's Marcos.
Hello.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Yo, Grant X, brother. I don't time you out, brother Grant X. My mods time you out, and they don't know if you're new or not. We treat everyone equally here in the chat, the same. All right. So if you say some ish that the mods don't like, the mods are gonna ban you. But this is why I need badges.
Oh, how you gonna say something like that and expect not to get banned? Like,
I don't know what he said, but I didn't want to know.
Can't even repeat it. It's not bad.
Jesus, dude. How, I'm surprised it's not bad. It's probably because you're saying something you shouldn't. Yeah.
Oh my god, bro.
Oh fuck.
Straight up. Like what? Nothing wrong with that. No, that
Congratulations, you outplayed yourself.
F in the chat. Yeah, one more offense. Come on, man.
Congratulations, you outplayed yourself.
Grant gets timed out daily.
Yeah,
Daily.
at least once.
Can you give
every
like
stream.
a thousand, like a
Yo, he just got
Thousand.
timed out for 10 years, bro. He just got timed
You
out.
might
for
as
the
well
next-
ban him at that point, bro.
Is he not banned? I mean,
No, he's getting timed out, but he's timed out for probably like a week.
Yeah.
Press an F. I
what does
love
it show?
It just says 300 seconds, 300 seconds, 300 seconds.
Oh. Hey, there's no time limit to put timeout.
Take a look at GJ.
That's
Flipped
tough.
and rebroke the hourly lows.
Yeah.
30 minutes
Oh.
selling play is active.
Oh, nice. 30-minute free flipping here.
Clean.
We may get goal position, DJ positions instead here. Chat, I'm looking for a closure below here in 7 minutes here. All right, so I'm not taking any impulse positions here, or not. I'm not taking the 30-minute start play due to the fact that we're at support, but looks like we might get a closure below here in about 7 minutes here, which I can look like to take a sell. I can look to take a sell at. Not too bad, not too shabby, innit, mate?
Not too shabby.
Innit, mate? Innit, mate?
In it.
Innit. We wait for a closure. Yes, we wait for a closure in this case. Yep. We'll push it up. Not bad. This is why we close gold. Managing risk. We did a very good job. We just won, chat. We saved on this trade here around 7 pips here. So good management. Good management. Most time viewer word goes to.
How do you feel about the 1 hour on GJ? I know the support's a little higher. If it were to close like a little bearish below that 1 hour support looking left, it's a little bit higher than the 30-minute.
I think I have mine drawn on the 1 hour time frame and the 30-minute time frame because they both like never close below here. Are you talking about this support right here? 152?
No, the one that we closed right at. When the
Oh,
previous
the
1 hour.
higher one. I'd rather just get a closure below here with the 1 hour and 30-minute as well. You have your support drawn there instead?
I have mine drawn at the 30, but I'm looking left now, and I'm interested in this 1 hour if it closes like a nice weak bearish candle below that support.
Yeah.
Both would be nice though. 30-minute and 1 hour.
I think that's when I'm gonna take it. Just because of that small L on gold.
Extra cautious.
Yeah, look for a 30-minute closure below 152, 185. And then that will be the hourly closing below. Closing.
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 We're in that closing, baby. Closing. New word? Closing. Can we get a closing here?
Only taking closings for the rest of the day.
Yeah, we need a closing below here. I might as well change the word closure to closing. About gold fail. Yep. Gold. This is why we can manage risk, right? Gold came up. 1 hour start play now. Pushing price up. It should continue up here towards 1812 here. But obviously I'm not looking for buys today. I'm looking for sells now below 1806. Honestly, the flip entry on that candle, we would have gotten our break even for sure. 10 pips. Closing here, closing everywhere. New people in the chat be like, what the fuck is a closing? Now people be in the chat, they be like, what the fuck is a start play? What is a closing? What does chalk mean?
What's an onion?
What's the onion? What the man?
Controller dictionary soon.
Intro our dictionary soon. Yeah, no command list. We need a dictionary.
You should imagine it's like the isn't there like a book on like candles, like the different candles? It's like the candlestick Bible or something like that.
The stream Bible.
The controller Bible.
I miss Grant. He'll be back. How long is 300 seconds? About 4 minutes? 5 minutes?
It's 5 minutes, right?
Yeah, but he got it like 5 times.
5 minutes.
So he's gonna be gone for a minute.
I think it was more than 5, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4.
He'll be back in like an hour.
Yeah. We'll be back at like
He'll be back.
8:30, 9 o'clock. He'll be back.
8:30, 9 o'clock.
Oh yeah, he's gone for an hour, bro. He got it 12 times.
He's gone for an hour.
Oh wait, what? He's there.
Hey, yo, what? I have to respect it.
Oh,
I have no choice but to respect it.
How did Grant come on? This guy broke out of prison. How's that impossible? Who has the Nightbot command to do that?
They don't stack apparently.
They don't stack. So you can't choose a time in
YouTube, man.
on YouTube, man. Yeah, on Twitch you can, but YouTube,
on Twitch, you can also see like you click on the user and you see
all their
previous
messages. I know,
yeah.
bro. Like,
so when someone's like, "Can you unban me? I didn't say anything." You could just look back.
VAR
Hey.
review.
YouTube, I'm giving them a year. Well, 9 months now to fix all that. Guys, if you guys do enjoy the streams today, by the way, make sure to leave a like on the streams, man. We can get 200 likes right now. 500 viewers, 200 likes. Ain't bad. Ain't too shabby.
How you boys feel about a weak bullish closure here on this hourly, and then seller replay coming down?
I think I want a closure. A closure below here. I want a closure below here. Unless I don't think I'll take it.
Closure. I don't know what he wants, but I want a closure.
Not a closure. Don wants a closure.
Want a closure too.
Explosion.
Chat, the reason why I want an explosion here is because you have like a support form right here. So I would rather wait for closure below, doing what those counts to the left there couldn't do, which is close below the range here. This is what I did wanted here in this hourly candle. With look left there, there's a nice resistance here, nice resistance to the left over there too, and some support here. We have obviously never closed below, so closure below would be a high probability for price to drive down as we're breaking below support. But since we're respecting it, we're pretty much doing what these counts to the left there are doing, which is just respecting and then to reject. However, I'm not looking for buys here, obviously. I'm not looking for no McLaren entries. No McLaren entries or anything like that in this situation. Right
at 1 hour support again.
Right there.
Yeah. No sells for me, chat. 1 hour on GG Gold obviously came up, tapped 1811. Yeah. I mean, there's no buys for me. There's no sells for me right now on gold. GG, I'm looking for more towards the sells, but you're gonna have to wait for a 30-minute candle closer in about 29 minutes here.
Strong support in it.
In it, mate. Yeah, there's strong support here.
Breaking structure. 8:30 maybe.
8:30? Yeah, potentially.
Like once this 4 hour comes down to break its already previous made lows, it's pretty clean traffic looking left. It might just might drop here.
We're getting the top wick. I asked on in private and it said, yeah, don't worry, we're gonna scare you and then we're gonna flip and make a top wick.
He said, can I get a closure, please?
Explosion.
Rockstar made. I'm surprised I'm not as rusty today. Talking wise, I'm usually rusty on Mondays, like when I talk to stream and chat. But today I'm pretty fine. But I haven't had as much questions on regarding charts already or anything like that. I feel like I answered all your guys' questions. Is that why? Talk too much? Talk too much? pro. We are still in a range, yeah? Then why did we take a sell when we are still left to close below the support? The reason why I took a sell here on gold earlier was, I explained it, was because if you look at the hourly time frame, yes, we had ranges to continue down. So we had a resistance right here, and you have support right here. This is now a range. We took the onion play, basically, what it was. Basically just onion play. Because we understood that price was bearish at resistance, high chance for price to drive down to retest the lows. So we took a sell as price closed bearish at resistance to continue down. Obviously, we managed with the fact that 30-minute candle never pushed down and respected that support. So then we closed, right? But this trade is nothing different from the trades that we've normally been taking. Like, I get it, it is in the range. But the whole idea behind trade is that we're at the top of the range due to the fact that we closed bearish and we're expecting price to come down to fill this range at minimum and then to continue down as it comes down to break the low at the same time. So that's why we had runners today come down towards the next support at like 1790, whatever, 98, wherever we had it at. Right, so that was the whole idea behind the trade, the 1 hour time frame. I'm still bearish too, so I'm looking for sells now. If price were to, well, my chart just got resetted, but we need a closure below here on a 1 hour time frame.
GG's gone.
GG has no top. We're gonna push down really.
Yeah, broke the lows, but
oh, no top
wick.
Nice.
Gold still respected those 4 hour highs. As long as we get a closure below that support, it'd be good.
Chat, be careful on GG here, just because you have no top wick in this candle here and it closed right at the support still. So this candle here could flip at any given time if we're taking impulse entries, which I probably think some of you guys did already. I mean, I hope it plays out for you, right? Obviously. I'm expecting price to push down as well. It's just that coming to entry wise, there's no entries here for me in this case, or even a setup here. Right, so I'm waiting for this 30-minute candle to close, or maybe even this 50-minute candle to close to take my sell positions. But I definitely need a closure here below the support now on a 50-minute time frame.
Gold's flying.
Flying down.
Flying.
Flying down.
Flying.
This is why we stick to one bias, chat, because look at, you know, price
already.
Price closed above this resistance here on the hourly for a nice fake out, and then now it's coming back into the range here. So if you were to stick to one bias today, sticking to one bias and not having two biases for a day, right? Unless it's a range 2 breakout, we talk about this every day. You would have been fine in this position here, or fine to not take a position here. But this is what we train you guys to do. All right, so I got a shit ton of questions last week about, Don, why don't we have 2 biases for a day? This is exactly why we don't have 2 biases for a day, because you get caught in fake outs, and then you say you can't avoid fake outs, right? You definitely can't avoid fake outs to a certain extent, not 100%, obviously. I've seen this move so many times. You feel the close under support, next candle just open without topic and I just melt down. Yeah, it happens quite a lot. But what else happens a lot is with closure below the range plus the top wick being formed for price to drive down. That happens a lot as well. So,
like Robert, if you've seen that move a bunch, then you should make it one of your entries.
Been wholesale since 152779. 152779. Nice. Good stuff, man. Fake go back into the range during London. Good stuff. Oh, we need a topic here for this candle. We need a topic for this 1 hour candle here. For me to take sells with the closure. The closure. We might just be shifting back to gold here, chat. 4 hour never broke the highs. Yeah, still valid overall, right? So might get a 15 closure or something here. But
everyone's saying closure. It's gonna stick. It's gonna stick already.
Not gonna lie, I come up with a lot of terms that stick, man. Interesante, onion booties, closions.
Is coaching gonna be a thing now? I don't know, man. Hope not.
You don't like it?
I mean, it's
I
whatever.
like it.
But the chats get confused a lot. The more terms you come up with, the more confused the new people will be to the chat. What are these guys
they'll be
talking about?
okay.
Where is the order block and the institutional
So
trap
what's
at?
so what's an explosion? Sure, what's a Trojan? You can be like, wait, what?
It'll be fine.
Celery hasn't stuck yet. If people are still saying starter.
Yeah, people think starter play.
EJ,
EJ.
GJ.
Chat, we're pushing down here. Do I have FOMO? Hell to the no, right? No FOMO at all here. This is a trade that I would never take since we have no closure, and no entry types, no sell types in this case. So this is something that I would not look to ever enter. Therefore, I do not have any emotions with this trade. With this move that's coming down here. I'm not sick to my stomach, nothing, right? Again, once you become a robot, once you figure out what your trade setups are, that's all you stick to. You don't care about anything else that happens except for those potential setups and entries. So for those that have like emotions right now with this, like, oh man, I missed it, I knew I should have entered it, I knew it. I know some of you guys are saying that to yourself right now. Again, look back at your trades that you've taken in the past. This is a trade that you would have taken. And if you caught it, congrats. Like, you know, congrats. Like, you caught the position, like, good stuff. But if it's, just make sure it's a trade that you would normally take on a regular day basis, and not just one of those round trades that you take every once in a blue moon just because you feel it, or you feel it coming. I feel it coming. A lot of volume on gold. Yeah, a lot of volume today in general. Like, decent volume. We obviously haven't gotten a breakout yet, but just imagine the breakout plus the volume at the same time. We're gonna move a shit ton. Not an algo day though, chat, but we'll move decent amount today. Yeah, I don't like this no top wick. Me too, man. Me too, Samantha. I don't like the no top wick too. There's no positions for me, obviously. However, gold's not bad here. If it closes below 1806 here in about 20 minutes here. Chat, we have Friday's Donda releasing. Hopefully it actually releases this time. Nice. Wait, so if we didn't close, no, we would have hit stops, right? For sure. What was your stops in that trade? The current candle highs? Was it here? Right, we entered on the 30-minute start play. Nope. The 15-minute. Oh no,
my friend.
We entered gold. I'm tripping. All right, my friend. Yes, it was gold. I was gonna say, like, wait, would we stop in this trade? No, we were in a whole different pair. Does the no top wick decrease the probability of the trade? Yeah, it does, because 85% of candles have top wicks to the candles. So if it has no top wick, the trade probability is a lot lower than usual, right? So that's something that I like. Usually, we like last year, we're more focused on the price closing of no bottom wick, but this year, like, we spent a decent time or decent amount of times backtesting this as well. I mean, do knows that every time we have no top wick to the candle, the odds do decrease. So I would like to stay out of the positions normally this year. Last year, getting caught in fake outs, getting interested with no top wicks, getting stopped out. This year, figured out why last year got stopped out on a lot of those positions, and you know, leveled up from that. So that's why this year we've taken a lot less trades. However, our win rate has been a lot higher than last year's already. So holy fuck, we have 4 months left in this year. 2021 has gone by so quick. Haven't missed a stream yet, chat, this year. Plus posted almost every day on social media on Control FX's Instagram account. That was not planned this year. Well, Reza,
What's good? Long time.
long time no see, brother. Brother
I
Reza.
was taking the week off. If for GJ, if we get like a 30-minute closure below,
Yes, sir.
and then we get a top wick on the next candle, and then a break of the lows, would
Yes,
that
sir.
be like a valid trade?
Yes, sir.
Like something like that, and then we get like a little top wick and then down, or would the previous candle no top wick still be an issue?
So if you come up and get a top wick and then you flip, that'll be fine. Plus we have a need.
No, I'm saying, let's say we close like this,
Uh-huh.
the next candle gives us a little bit top wick, and then shoots back down.
Yeah, it's fine. The next count comes up, breaks the high for a top wick, and then comes down. That's fine. Plus, yeah, it'll be a good entry because we close below. Plus, we'll get a nice wick to it too. So, yeah, definitely not
But
bad
what
at
if
all.
it doesn't break the high. It doesn't create a top.
Oh, then no. It must break that high, the previous kind of high, for it to give us that top wick that we're expecting or waiting for.
For the hourly. Okay.
Yeah, the hourly top wick. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, Thank you.
No worries.
Appreciate it.
What is top wick? Okay, let's go back to basic candle structure. So you have a candle. This is a candle here. All right. You have this is right here is a red candle. A lot of red. All right. So this is a bearish candle in this case. So a bearish candle would only open up right here. This is the opening. This is the closure. This is the low. This is the high, or this is the high, and this is the low of the candle in the bearish formation. Right. So when price opened up, it opened up here, and then it came down and created a lower wick, or it came up, created a top wick, and then it came down. Hence why we have wicks now. And then it closed right here because it came down, created a wick, and then started to retrace at the end, which gave it this wick here. And then it closed right here. And so that's what a candle is. I repeat, you have an opening, you have a closing, you have a high, you have a low. Simple. And that is what a candle is. Chat, the weekend is back, baby. The dawn is coming. The new weekend era. Pretty excited. One year left for uni, big W. Wow, congrats, Tyler. Almost finished. Almost I was gonna say retiring. Almost graduating. Nice. Makes sense. Appreciate it, fam. No worries, Greg. No worries, bro. Chat, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask away. You know, don't be shy. It's a chat, you know. We can't see you. You can't see. Oh, you can see us, but we can't see you. So don't be young. Don't be shy. What's the reason that it has to have the top wick in order to stick a sell? 85% accounts have top wick, so a candle with follow top wick, it decreases the probability of it driving down or driving up, whatever situation we're looking for, a buy or sell. But yeah, in a bearish situation, we need a nice top wick before we continue down. I took an impulse GJ and closed right away when I saw the 4 candle, ran away for the 4 hour, then to take the lows. Then, I mean, if that's what you're waiting for, and that's what you're waiting for, right? I'm not really concerned about the 4 hour candle, because it closes in about 4 minutes here. However, when we get to around like 8:45 ish, then that's when I'll be concerned about the 4 hour candle closing. So I'll wait for that as well. As of right now, you have the in New York Open here. Expect a lot of volume being pushed into the markets here, so price may move a shit ton in this situation. What made you decide to become a scalper? I want to say when I'm scalping compared to before when I was swinging, Like swing trading was cool and whatnot. Like I guess those things like with this strategy, I never swung traded the strategy yet. But I had a whole different strategy for swing trading, and this strategy was more meant for scalping. But it's more so like I can kind of decide when I want to enter and exit the markets. Like I don't have to wait 4 days for a setup. Like every day there's always gonna be at least an opportunity somewhere that I can look to take advantage of. Like, but not every day is a trading day, of course, though. Like even if you're scalping, like not every day is a trading day. Like you guys see it all the time. Some days we might have 0 trades. Some weeks we might have 0 trades. But overall, yeah, I'm able to pick and choose when I want to kind of enter or not with the volume that's given in a day. Yo, what do you say, Don? Charge for the stream. I got you. Dynamic risk was inspired by you, Don. Dodger story. I added my win. I don't think I ever called it dynamic risk. I never called it that. It was probably called adding position or something. Enter on a break of the lows. 2 stops above previous candle. 3 add another position as trader still valid. 4 close 8% and move stops to break even at 10 pips. 5 target. Good trade, brother. You can sell with the break of the lows, I guess. I'll say this is more of an impulse. A little more on the impulse side. Something that I wouldn't take, especially with no top wick. But I mean, this is your trade, right? And you manage it pretty well. You close 8% and move stops to break even at 10 pips. Congratulations. More can I say? Good trade, Chad. Good trade. Yeah. Ooh, gold never closed below. Flipped. DJ here coming up. It might give us a top wick. Not bad, chat. We might get the top wick here. Incoming. Well, gold ended up coming down towards the target. Our first target. Obviously, nowhere we could have entered. I used to be a swing trader, but switched to scalping because it's a lot stress-free. Back then, and I had alarms going left and right when I'm sleeping just to not miss a move. Swing trading. Yeah. Again, like this strategy that I have, I could swing trade with it on a higher time frame. Thing about swing trading with my strategy on a higher time frame is that since you're relying on candles, the stop losses would be a lot bigger. So like again, like the weekly time frame candles are the same as a monthly, same as a daily, same as a 4 hour, same as a 1 hour, same as 30, same as a 15-minute time frame. They all have highs and lows to them. Candles are candles at the end of the day, right? So if we're looking to enter a position on a higher time frame, like a daily time frame, for example, if I were to enter a sell today, my stop loss would have been the previous kind of high, which is like 70 pips for a TP of an overall 80 pips. So like you get those same 1-to-1s RR, 1-to-2 RRs. It's just that since the candles are bigger and that they're higher time frames, the ranges are bigger, which means that stop losses will be a lot bigger, and therefore your lot sizes will be a lot smaller. So that's why I'm going to swing trade with the strategy. But before when I used to swing trade, I'll have the McLaren style strategy, which was the enter a wick entry to post on Instagram and cover a lot size and say, I am not a retail trader. But hey, that was some PTSD for me. Let's not go there. For me, I'm not too. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's what I said. Like, if that was like your trade or something that you're not worried about, then like 100%, like it was valid. Like I'm not saying it's not bad, right? That was a good trade you took. Yeah. Jesus sells below a 15-minute time from candle break. You need a closure. You need a topic too. Oh wow, I really thought we were gonna get the topic there. Damn. 2 pips away. Come on, GJ. Damn. If we were to get a topic and then we flip, I'll place a sell stop right here. I would have placed a sell stop on the break of the lows. Stop loss would have been like around, I don't know, like 12 pips, 10 pips in this case. And then TP would have been down there or whatever the next clean traffic is, which is at 151.831. We might still get it. Why do we need to rely on top wicks? I think I answered this question 3 times in the last like 30 minutes here. Because 85% of candles have top wicks, and a candle without a top wick decreases the probability of you in that trade setup if you were to enter. And that is not just round numbers and throwing out. Those are numbers that we have tested like live on the streams for months and months and months. Maybe like 3 months. January, February, March this year, and we came to a point where we figured that, you know what, whenever we have no top wick, I'm not going to enter the position. Okay, so anyone else have the same question? Yo, I really need, you know what I need like the Twitch clips. Get a clip of me explain that no top wick situation and put exclamation point. YouTube has one.
We have exclamation point no wick.
Well, no, like I'm talking about like Twitch clips, you know what I mean?
Twitch.
Oh shit, chat. If that kind of were to give us a top wick there, I would have been activated here. But hey, no interest here for me, at least, right? Yeah, Twitch has like clips on its page. Like I'll show you an example. Like go to Mutex, for example. Go to his stuff.
Oh, like featured clips and stuff.
You have clips right here. Like people clip it from the chat, and these are like the top clips.
Yeah.
Very dope. You can see like the top like clips of all time. Top all, and this is no one clip. Shows all the views and stuff. All you do is put exclamation point like whatever, and it'll pop up. Or you check the clips chat, and it'll pop up. Kinda dope. Somebody said, F, you just entered? Is that what you did? FOMO? FOMO. FOMO, no promo.
I did see the clip feature on YouTube, but it's not on every channel yet.
Yeah, like those Courage has it, I think. But it's so bad though. It's like not as smooth.
Call of Duty yesterday, they had it too. You have it or no?
I definitely do not have it. You guys will see if I have it, right? I'm pretty sure, chat.
You can't like enable it.
Let me check. Can you enable YouTube is testing out a new feature called Clips, which allow users to make short shareable videos of a career's live streams. Now I can create clips and link to really, how do you do this then? In testing, it's not smooth though. Sneak peek. Oh, it's for testing, so only some channels some channels have it. Only some channels have it, not all channels. Oh, GG is pushing here with the breakout lows here. Some of you guys are looking for impulse entries. Here we go, your impulse entries. Coming down to fill this range here. You have a nice range coming down for around a 21 pip range. Ain't bad. Nice. Push in. There's a lot of volume here, so I expect price to drop down as well here, right? There's just no interest for me. I think if we were to get a top night calendar, we were gonna activate it here earlier, been around like 85 pips in profit, I probably would have moved my stops to break even at this point, making it risk free from that point. Oh, impulse entries now shitting their pants now. Oof, this is why we don't take impulse entries. Now you're like, ah, shit, I don't know if we're gonna close below or not. I'm just showing you guys. Done. Why not in this trade? Because there's no positions here for me. We gotta close below the range, cool. But the 1 hour has no top wick here. But the 30 minute have no top wick as well. There's just no interest for me in this case. If we were to get a top wick, I would have been in on the opening of this candle here, on the flip of the candle. Then after price came down, I would have moved my stops to break even, which I would have just got stopped at break even. So we saved another trade, I guess. We saved another bullet for our day. Forward closing in about 30 minutes. Yeah, you have a lot of time after in the forward candle closing. But yeah, if the forward can close like below, I want to say, let's see, below 151, 152, 111, then that'll be lovely. But let's see what it do. Yeah. Oh, now look, we might get the topic, chat. We might get something, but what I may consider is now a 15-minute start play though. Was there a support that price tapped there? Right here, right? Minor support right here at 152. They didn't really come down towards it. Just kind of rejected randomly at an area. Yeah. What's the nickname for chat? Devious. Ooh, GJ might get the topic, chat. Ooh, pushing. You know, I'm more happy if we get a topic and we would have waited for it than for us to actually be in a trade. Because long term, waiting for these things comes with a trade. Comes with the winning trade. So this is why we don't take impulse entries here, by the way, too, right? No impulse entries. Okay, we're almost at 4K followers on Instagram. Insane. Appreciate the love, chat. Been crazy. I think this year we went from like maybe 900 followers to 4K. Thank you so much. My account, thanks, Don. Marco's oh yeah, right, true. Nice example of why we don't take entries with no topics as well. Yep, there's two things that helped me out there. Yep. Marcos, were you looking for positions there?
Nope. Agreeing at the top wick though.
How do you feel about a 15-minute start play? With the 4-hour, daily, weekly, and monthly, we're breaking the lows. Does the monthly have monthly has a nice topic already. Wow, GJ.
I don't think I have a support at 152. So even if we got in at the break of lows, for me it'd only be like 6 pips. Unless my target was lower.
We may get a topic here. We may get it here.
This 30-minute close below 30-minute support.
30-minute support, really? I have mine closing right at support, but I drew mine a little lower, I think, off the 15-minute time frame. Oh yeah, 30-minute did close below support. Yeah, it was right here. The 1 hour support, 30-minute support. Yeah. I forgot to move mine down a little bit, but I didn't need a topic here. So chat, if you guys can see here, price earlier when it came down, it obviously flipped bullish after, and it created support right here. This is not your resistance here, I want to say. This is not your range here. If you want, you could wait for a breakout of this range here. However, I'm looking for positions once you get a top wick on like a 15-minute start play or something in this situation. Yeah. Come on, wick, give us a nipple. Given the rejection, would you still be comfortable sells? Yeah, so it closed bullish here, but it still closed bullish respecting this resistance here, and the 1 hour time frame is still bearish, with my day bias still being bearish today. Nothing has changed regarding my bias or the setup itself. At this point here, I'm just waiting for a top wick to be formed. That's all I'm waiting for. Oh, yeah, I'm still looking for sells coming down. However, we might have to wait for the hourly candle to close. Let's see though, because it looks like this candle is going to drive down and not give us a top wick. And if you took a 15-minute impulse entry earlier or 30-minute impulse entry, you would have been in shambles right now. In shambles. What are the chances of 30-minute wick fail? Well, I'll say it's not. I mean, it's there. Chances are there. It's just that we have no top wick, right? So there's no entries for me. Red flow is at 10 a.m. Yeah, 9:32. How's gold doing here? We're at that support still. Rejecting it. Never close below. Wow, we really, I really thought we were gonna get the top wick there because we came up to re-break the current high, and we're like a pip away, pretty much. Treasure stream. We never got the top wick staying out. Yep, me too, man. Me too. Staying out as well. Timo breakout trend line entry on a retest which completed the head and shoulders, reducing my lot size, really improved my patience and accuracy. Even my motions did not flinch as much. Nice. This is a McLaren entry. Yeah, I mean, I do not trade like this. However, I respect it. I can't say much in it because that's not my train strategy, right? However, I guess like the trend line, reject after the trend line, add some type of, you know, level, magic level, right to drop down, 1,000 RR. Not much I can say about it. Not much I can say about it. It's not my trading strategy, so I mean, I respect it, but I would, if you're asking me if I would ever enter that, probably not. But again, it's your entries. If it makes sense for you, by all means, take them. You know, whenever you guys send me charts of like different strategies, it's more of an awkward thing. It's like, well, I don't want to say it's a shit entry, because it's not. It's something that you would enter. I would never enter, right? But this is two different things. Bar looks clean for sells. 4 hour looks clean for sells. Yeah, especially if it closes below 152.111. Below the support here to the left. That'd be perfect. What's the plan, down? What are we waiting for? So we're waiting for the top wick to be formed on GJ here, plus the 1 hour close below here, or a 15-minute start play after we get a top wick, and then we're waiting for gold to close below 1806 here for sells. But by the looks of it, looks like we're not getting that closure on gold here anytime soon. As the 4 hour candle is unclosed bullish at that support, so Let's see though. Which extra drawing tool are you using? I'm using training view tools. I mean zoom tools, zoom annotations. Yeah. Chat, how'd you guys do last week, chat? How'd you guys do last week? You guys finished off in the greens and the blues and the reds? How'd you guys do? I think last week was the toughest week of July so far. July was overall was pretty clean. The whole month was clean, and then last week of July was pretty chalked. There just wasn't much volume during the New York session, and I wasn't training London or anything, so I couldn't catch the London moves. But that was what happened last week. Last week was the last for me. That's fine. How did you do in July though? Overall, going on Friday, I was swimming in that shit. Nice. I don't know. I go there Friday. I kind of forgot, but I'm guessing if I pushed a decent amount. 1.5% profit last week. Nice, Robert. Down 1.5% last week. 15% in blue. Took 15 trades last week. Oh wow, 15%, 15 trades, 1% per trade. Not bad. Down 1.5% last week, but overall for the month, I'm up 60%. Damn, 60%. Good stuff, Samantha. Jordan FX, good stuff. Good stuff. Month up 11. Nice. Nice, man. $11%. Wow. Yeah, I had a good July too. July has been pretty good to me. However, last month July was kind of chalked, I want to say. Samantha correct. In July, daily profits, but looking at my journal, I need to work on my executions more. A lot of good trades, but bad executions. So what does that mean for you? Like the executions to hit your stops or what? Or you're just looking for ways to improve the executions? Yeah, July was a good month. There's just a shit ton of volume in July and a shit ton of opportunities as well, right? Yeah, it was pretty good. July, I think the best months for me this year was where July, August. Oh no, sorry, no. July, April, and June, my best months. June and July were back-to-back good months. So let's see if we can keep it up for August, but we're doing the same thing, right? Same thing to this day.
To this day!
To this day, chat.
This day!
Down 1%. 100% one day. Not good. Not good. Definitely something not to brag about. Good profits versus bad profits. No difference. All right. I mean, hey, who knows? That could be good profits for you, but can you make 100% every day? If yes, then by all means go ahead, right? If you can keep that up. But I can just imagine how much you're risking to make 100% a day. Mr. JXTR is on passive in Discord. Oh no, he's not. I can D-rank him. I'm playing. I wouldn't do that. Damn, that's crazy. Oh, I'm scared. Is he actually? Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo, Mr. JXTR might actually pass me on Discord.
Bruh.
Alright, you know what that means, chat.
Banned.
You know what that means, chat. Hello, sir. Lovely day today, sir. Spam time, nah. If you pass me, pass me, right? It's not. It's like That's a W mod. That's definitely a W mod. Honestly, I don't know what you're talking about, Mr. JXTR.
He's a London guy, right?
Yeah, London. That's why London session be going crazy. Yeah. How often do you improve your strategy by yourself or with a group of people? We have, I guess you can say, backtesting. My backtest now, chat, is different from my backtest last year or my backtest the year before. I don't just backtest the direction now. Like, that's something that I don't really do anymore. I more so backtest a little small things. So like, we backtest live on the streams every day, basically. Like right now we're backtesting the WAP play. We've been backtesting that play for around 6 months now. Earlier this year, we figured out the fake out, how to avoid fake outs. We spent like a couple months backtesting that. We also backtested the candles with no top wicks to it on a bearish situation, and then candles with no bond wicks on a bullish situation. So those are things that we figured out this year. We also figured out not to take impulse entries as well. So we've improved our strategy by a lot this year already. It's only been like 8 months. But yeah, like every day, still gonna try to learn and find new ways to get better as a trader. I'll never think of myself as like a GOAT or some type of like the greatest in the game. It's just, I'm just looking to get better every day. That's all that is.
How do you feel about this on gold? Looking at the 4-hour time frame, this 4-hour closes bullish.
Gold?
Like on gold, yeah, it'd be like a 4-hour seller play on gold.
We'll be closing bullish, respecting that support, right? Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
Most recent traffic's pretty clean though on 4-hour.
Yeah, I think I'll stay out since the daily time frame is bearish for me. If it closes bullish, I'll wait for a 4-hour starter play, but I don't know. My day looks pretty chalked.
That's what I'm saying. If a 4-hour seller play on gold,
Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, coming down for the range.
Be breaking the monthly low.
Especially if it respects this resistance here on a bullish candle closure.
Respecting those highs.
Yeah.
Next 4 hours breaking the monthly lows while after obviously it creates like a nice top wick. It has to. If it breaks the 4-hour highs, then it's kind of chalked. But ooh, GJ.
Ooh, pushing.
Please.
When was the last time you had to lose a month? It's been around 1.5 years plus, I believe. Since I had to lose them. Oh, GJ top wick being formed here, chat. Well. Look at what we have here. Top wick being formed now. Nice. Come on. New 50-minute candle. Bond wick being formed. The price should push up here. Nope, nice bond wick being formed. It should flip bullish here, and then give us a top wick right about now. Nice. Good stuff. There we go. There you go, chat. So was that worth it? I love it. Love it. It paid off. It paid off. Now we got the top wick. We don't gotta worry about that no more. What we need now is obviously a closure below here on a 30-minute time frame, below 152, 190 here. I want to say for price to drop down here. If you don't get a closure below, then there's no sells. But there you go. This is what we wait for. So if those are asked like earlier about 6 times, why wait for top wicks? This is why we wait for top wicks. The no impulse entries has definitely saved me a lot. I was about to take one on GJ, but I didn't. Yeah, impulse entries, chat, are emotional entries. Try to stay away from them. Unless this is an impulse entry that you always take, but again, the majority of them are going to be emotional entries. I want to say FOMO entries, in other words, a different word to describe FOMO, impulse. Oh, W. Yeah, that's a good. That's good. That's a good point, Christian. Christian Dio. I used to focus a lot more on becoming a professional trader, and I didn't realize I also needed to be a professional loser. I had to learn how to manage drawdown as I would when I in profits. Yes. Again, the same way you manage your wins should be the same way you manage your losses, without emotions. Wow, you're just flipping her on a 15-minute time from here. Ooh, make it a 15-minute start play. Who am I gonna move at 9:15, chat? 9:15. Oh. Had a problem with impulse punches at first, yeah. And why I see Vaughn will help, yeah. The reason why I'm saying like we might get a move at 9:15, 9:30 is because we're gonna wait for this 4-hour candle to close, and we want it to close below. I want to say like 152, 190. If we close below, it should be goodie. However, you're gonna have to wait for the first 15-minute candle to close of the new 4-hour candle to create that bottom wick for us, or that top wick for us for the new 4-hour candle. And once you have that 15-minute candle that does that for us, we can then take sales coming down. So you're looking like maybe this 15 may close. Like, so we had a support form right here, right? So this 15 may close bearish here in about 11 minutes here, which would be the 9 a.m. closure, and the 9:15 candle will be something like this. I want to say below this range here, and then at 9:15 you can take a sell coming down below this range, coming down towards the next support, which is down here at like 151, 900, or wherever your ranges are, or your TP is. All right, but that's what I'm expecting price to do here after we have the top wick being formed. 151, 831 is the TP target. We'll still be around on stream, so don't worry. I went back to demo to develop good habits and risk management after blowing on our account. What do you guys recommend I need to happen first before I go live again? You need to understand that emotions comes from the trades that you take. As crazy as that sounds, you know, like the best way that I figured out how to avoid emotions was I figured out a sample size for the trades that I would take. So again, no random trades. Take the 4 or whatever your setups are, the same 4, 5, 6, whatever your setups, how many setups you have. Take the same trades that you would normally take on a day-to-day basis, because once you take those trades, that's all you look for, and you wouldn't really look at anything else aside from those swing trades. And it takes time because you need to find a sample size on winning positions. So to a point where, let's say it's like, you know, maybe 8% winning trades, or like 6% win, or sorry, not 6%, like 70% winning trades plus. Take those trades and only those trades. Anything else you do not care about at all. You do not flinch on. No flinch Kobe. Once you figure out what that is for you, your emotions will slowly go away, because that's all you look for. You're literally you're a robot at this point. You build an algo for an algo for yourself that only you follow. You're your own algo basically at that point. Sheesh. Sheesh. Nice.
About that GJ 1 hour.
I love it. I love it. I love what we do every day, man. I fucking love it. This is what we do every day, man.
This would be what some may call Wicks 9, a gladiator candle.
Oh, the way it closes. Okay, featuring Wicks 9 today.
This dude just took a knee and went like that straight up. He said gladiator candles unite.
Damn, man, you can't even see you no more. Damn, it's all dark in there, brother. I like the song. Sounds lit. Good vibes. You know the vibes. Where's the album I just led? There we go. All right, cool. Would you be looking at the 15-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame on this trade here? Since the 15-minute stop loss would be the same as the 1 hour in this case. I'm looking at the NAT 15 candle, so I just want the 1 hour close below here. As long as the 1 hour closes below here, we would be open to trade still on the 15-minute and 30-minute time frame of the new 4 hour candle. But yeah. I just need the 1 hour close. I'm not really entering on this first 15 day early though. NAT 15 chat, NAT 15. Yeah, I really hope you guys understood the whole concept behind this no top work thing and why wait for it because this is a confusing to a lot of people, but I hope we provide a great example of it today. Because I kind of paid the market maker to show you guys the example today, basically, and he gave us what I wanted. And also, I showed you guys today how like important it is to be disciplined. My bad, Andre. It shows us how important it is to be disciplined and only wait for your setups and not anything else. Not what he says, not what she says. Your own setup.
You get a decent top wick on this 1 hour, new 1 hour. How do you feel about a 9 a.m. entry?
I'm looking at 9:15. Decent top wick, maybe, perhaps, maybe. Yeah, good point on Marcos. Ooh, might get that closure blow on the 15-minute time from here. Pushing. Yeah, I mean, let's see.
I'll take that with you, Marcos. If we get a like use the previous 1 hour high, be like at least 10 pips.
Yeah. Interesante
Interesante indeed.
Muy interesante. Simon, I will do it. Yo, Simon is always ready for a position.
He's always down.
Yeah, always.
Down for whatever.
Chat, I really appreciate you being here today. Oh, sorry.
No, I was just gonna ask you, you're staying out of this hourly closure because you want the first 15-minute of the new 4 hour to close?
Yeah, let's get a nice topic like Marco said, but by the way it's closing 4 minutes left. We need to close a little further.
Yeah.
Marcos, you're looking for a closure below the hourly support at 152.21 or that 30-minute that Don has?
Both.
By the way, Marcos, this is just a 5-minute topic being created here because it has no bottom wick to it. So
yeah, I've actually just entered full margin.
Okay,
oh
brother.
God, dude, don't say chat.
Hello, darkness. My old friend.
Yeah, it looks like we'll get a nice decent closure below it'll be a 30-minute and 1 hour closure below.
And if we don't get a closure below,
I ain't pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
But this that 1 hour could easily break the 1 hour highs and still continue bearish. So you need like either a good top wick or, like you said, the first 15 minutes to close.
chat, we will manifest this down today, okay?
She's a runner, she's a track star.
We will manifest that sound. It's been like Thursday.
I was away when you guys caught the last few.
Yeah,
so
you
I
came.
haven't heard that. I have been deprived.
You're the bad luck. No, I'm playing chat. There's no such thing as bad luck.
Imagine we were doing the win streak calculator in, was it March, when we had like literally just like no losses.
Oh my god, 21 straight trades. 21.
Like 21. Yeah.
Uh,
That was insane. I didn't even know what it was like to lose.
honestly, I mean that's kind of how we felt in July too. We're like, how did it feel to lose again? Honestly, we hit the first last tick this month was kind of like, wow, we took a lot. Wow. All right, TikTok. Appreciate you being here today, TikTok. I learned to be nicer to TikTok, but I'll catch you guys on YouTube. All right, we're streaming on YouTube. If you want a better experience, just go there. Link in the bio on our TikTok. All right, peace and love, TikTok. Take it easy. All right, TikTok, peace out. Okay, cool. Don't gotta worry about this now.
Pray for these baguettes, I pray for better days.
Pray for better days. It's
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Oh my god. That PTSD.
PTSD. What other sounds do I have? Hold on, chat. Give me a second. Let me just figure this out again. I forgot. That's a Travis Scott one.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Interesante.
To this day.
It's gonna
Okay, cool.
gold 4 hours flipping now.
Uh-oh.
That's interesante.
Interessante. A minute and a half left. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It always happens.
The stretch is coming, guys. Everyone's on stretch in about 5 minutes here.
15-minute onion on GJ as well with this 1 hour closure.
That's that
Perfection
good
on the
stretch.
15. I like it on the 15 a lot. I need a thump click.
Didn't the traders be funny with their strategies? Yeah. Use the Katso. Did you enter in a short position or are you waiting for the long one? I'm waiting for the short one. I'm looking for sells within the first 15 minutes, at around 9:15 after this 15-minute candle closes, because that new 15 candle will indicate me the new 4 candle high being created for price to drive down in this situation. So okay, cool. So the 4 candles close below this range here. I mean, I do expect the 4 candles to drive down like this, coming down to fill that wick and fill the range coming down towards 151 or like even 151.660. I want to say, as long as it respects the previous 4 candle high. So I'm looking for sells here. Drop it down to my time frames here. I'm gonna need this 15-minute candle to close here. So if you get it close below here at like at around 9:15, then perfect, we get an entry. But if we don't, then there's no entries yet. Marcos, you have you looking for sells here? You and Andre on the flip. Nice wick here.
Looking at gold too.
How did gold close?
Really nicely.
Ooh, right at support. I mean, right below the 4-hour support. Yeah. Is this too chaotic, chat, or what?
A little chaotic, but I like it.
A little chaotic for NYSE Open. So math actually on that, man. You have 3 winning streaks, three straight winning weeks, and then take a loss and you feel like you forgot how to trade. Feels weird. I agree with that. Impulse enters my G. It's gonna work, my G. Brother Rolex. I'm sorry to inform you, but I am not taking an impulse entry. If it works, it works. Like if it drives down, it drives down. The probability of it driving down is very high. But I mean, this is not an impulse entry though. This is more of like a close below. This is not really an impulse. But hey, if it comes down, I am completely fine and happy to see it drop 1,000 pips from my face. It just wasn't my setup. All right. again, it comes down to that. It comes back down to that. I'm not trading for one trade. I'm trading for a long term. They want for 770 is a possible target. 770. 770. Yeah, I think so. On a 4-hour time frame, yeah. Overall, yeah. But if you're entering on a 1-hour time frame, I'll consider these levels here to the left here. So you have a minor support right here at that support, and then minor support right here, and then you have another support right around here. So I'll be aware of those two levels there. The first support is at 151.002. Second support is at 151.831. Reza.
Yeah, what does everyone think if this gold candle flips right now?
I think they're locked into gold to GJ, right?
For me, there's a 1-hour support at 1806.75. And the way that
exactly.
So I wouldn't take gold. I personally have sell stops here on GJ at 152.14. Previous hourly high as stop loss, and then a target of 151.84.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
I'm definitely more comfortable with GJ as well, because I think gold here closed right at that support. So yeah, like 1806 here on the hourly. So there's no sells for me yet, at least. So yeah, more interested in GJ here than gold. It's also a cleaner range. It's.
All right, boys. I gotta call it a day. I gotta go. I will catch you guys tomorrow. Hope this position plays out for you guys. Peace out, boys.
Peace out, man.
Ciao.
Take it easy. The fame. I was gonna ask. I think you guys answered, right? So you guys looking for sells on GJ here with the flip of this hourly candle. That's a nice topic being formed. Wasn't too bad.
I think I'm gonna stay out and wait for the 15 to close below 152.131. Because looking left, you also have like that minor 1-hour support at 152.145. So it could still play out, but I think I'd be more comfortable with a 15.
So if that's a top wick chat, then this perhaps might be the candle that pushes down like this. The reason why I'm not entering
right now.
Yeah, the reason I'm not entering is just because I wanted the 15 to close to give us a top wick first. But overall, if this wasn't a new forward candle, I would have 100% entered by now on this candle here on a flip. Looking good though, looking solid. Yes, so you have about 10 minutes left.
Yes, sir. I'm in.
Nice. Yep. 30 minutes clean too.
Wick feels like 7 or 8 pips too.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Once we push like 3 or 4 more pips, I'm gonna move my stop loss to the current candle high, just because we shouldn't flip to break that if we're gonna push down. And then in the wick fill, I'm just gonna move stops to break even.
Yeah, this candle shouldn't re-break its own lows and then come back and re-break its own higher. So yeah, that'll make.
Yeah. Which sign you in or no?
No, I'm waiting for a 15 close. Okay, so the next closure that we're getting right now is a 15-minute closure. So I'd have to look on the 15-minute time frame. And a 15-minute time frame, we got a zone here. Like if we were getting a 30 closure here, like if it was 925, I think I would have taken it.
Mm-hmm.
But this is a 15, and on the 15, it's closing in 10 minutes. There's a support there. So I mean, what Don is saying just makes more sense. Not that you're not valid, like your analysis is absolutely correct. Just in my head, that makes more sense with the time frame that we're on.
Probably gonna try and manage risk here. If we come up to break this current candle high that the 1 hour already made, I'm gonna close half my position.
Are you at full position? Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. Just close half.
Yeah.
Gold's pushing too. Gold flipped to the new 4-hour candle. Sitting there, gold. It looks like it wants to drive down here towards 1802.
Gold, if we get like a nice like bearish closure on either of the, honestly either would be good.
The kid called it, looking like a 915. Yeah, like after like training for like your time and knowing like your trade setups, like you kind of know, like, have an idea for the time too. Because you're waiting for closures, right? It just makes logical sense. Like 9:15, first 15 of the hour there. 9:15 close below. After this kind of, we drew out this scenario too. We drew out this bearish kind of closing like this. And the next one closing below at 9:15 for sells at 9:15 coming down. With the NYSE open at 9:30. Let's see. 30 minutes looks super duper clean. 1 hour is clean as well. Things also chat, like even if we were to wait for the first 15 to close, like we can still break the 4 highs again, right? But it's just that like us waiting for that is increases the probability of this being a 4 kind of high. Because you never know where the high is until it actually closes, obviously.
Stops were 11 pips for me, so I felt pretty comfortable. You know, small stops.
You using Harris Heller, Don?
Yeah, it's Hero Seller.
You tried the 100 Thieves one yet?
I did, but it sounds so dark.
Dark?
Yeah, I don't know. Is it just me? Let me try. Let me play it again.
I just don't know what you mean by dark. Like
It sounds so boring,
like
scary, boring. Not scary, but like not like lit.
Oh, gotcha.
Depends. Maybe I play a different
it's
one.
Harris Heller, isn't it?
Yeah, it is Hero Seller.
I guess, but he has like that's only one, right? It's not like he has like a bunch on there yet.
I think he has multiple albums for them. I don't know.
Pretty cool.
I was gonna say earlier, chat. I appreciate you being here today, man. On a Monday too. Crazy. So 600 people watching right now. Crazy. If you guys are enjoying the stream so far, make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe for more feature content.
Nice.
No problem, baby. Appreciate it, baby. Will we get a closure here, or will GJ? Oh fuck, wrong sound, bro. Oh my god, I hate clicking the wrong sound, especially for the sheesh one, because it's so long. It just ruins the whole thing. I was gonna say, will we get a closure here, or will we found in the next episode of Interessante? But
Killed it.
joke, yeah, that killed it, man. That killed it. It's not the same. It ain't the same. It ain't the same.
It's gonna be at the end of stream. Fun clips.
Who knows? We might get a sheesh though for Andre. Pushing, reflipping again.
There's just like so much volume right now. It's just insane.
Yeah,
Price is
really,
pushing.
this is invigorating. It's really
Andre's on
my
the-
juice is flowing.
On the
Price is-
30-second time frame,
Price is pushing, guys.
watching it
Hold on to
fly.
your seats.
Andre
here.
is on a 20-second time frame.
We're in a 2-pip range here.
We're in a 2-pip range here, sir. Might get a move at 9:30. If you don't get a closure here on a 15-minute time frame, a bearish one below the range, then we perhaps make it a 30-minute closure. Oh, pushing.
Please.
Pushing.
pushing.
Where do you need a closure? You want it below that 15-minute support, right?
Yeah, nice. Like at if we can close exactly at 152, 117. 152, 117 market maker.
I got you.
Then we should be goody.
Tyler, you in now too, right? Saw Tyler sell stops. Joke expired.
Joe expired, sir. 117, sir.
Didn't activate. Those are those razor sharp funding talent spreads. And like you have like 0 pip spread.
Wait, can I test something out real quick, chat?
Hello.
Uh-oh. GJ, ciao bella. Ciao bella.
A little too deep. It's fine. Oh, 117. Can we get, if you get a 117 closure exactly, we literally called everything to a T on this trader. No top wick, a 30 closure, 915. Uh-oh, chat. We might get opportunity here in about 2 minutes here. Andre looking good. Palms are sweaty. Knees weak. Arms are heavy. Moving stops to break even very soon.
When the next like 2 or 3 pips we push, I'm gonna move my stops to the current candle high.
Oh, pushing. I like it. 4% profit though.
117 exact closure would be amazing.
117. We literally called everything to a T here, and this next 15 will likely drop down towards that support. Ooh. Pushing. 117, eh? I mean, anywhere below here is fine overall.
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Andre
stops the
with
brakes.
TP.
Stops the brakes, Andre.
I got just for right now, I got my stops at the current candle high, chat. 5 pips
Nice.
is what I'm risking right now. In the next 2 or 3 pips, I'm gonna move it to break even when we approach the previous candle low.
GG, hold on.
Oh, pushing. We might get an entry here, chat.
Push it.
A minute and a half here for an entry. Stops in this case are gonna be around like 11 pips for a TP of around 25 pips.
You got it off? Okay.
There we go. Stops to break even here, chat.
Nice. Your 8 pips in profit around there?
7.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, around
You
there.
have to, at the tip of that wick, you have to.
Okay.
You closing full? You closing half?
She's a runner, she's a track star.
She's a runner.
Stops to break
She's a
even
track
here.
star. Chat, now we need a bottom wick being formed there. Once you get that bottom wick being formed there, I will be in a position, but we must get a bottom wick on this candle here. If no bottom wick, damn, I'm sorry to tell you, but there's no entries for me. Again.
Gonna run to TP.
23 seconds left.
Wait, quick, call the market maker. 10 seconds.
Is the RR worth it? What do you have?
Yeah, my TP is all the way down at on a 4-hour time frame. Down at like 1.513 or something. Nice wick. Lovely. So okay, nice. So now we need a top wick being formed there. If that's the top wick, then I'll place a sell stop right here at 152. Because if it's a small top wick, I'm gonna place a sell stop on a break of the lows. However, if it's a decent top wick, then I'm gonna look to enter on the flip of the candle instead. Stops in this case are looking like it's gonna be around 16 pips for a TP. That's 20 pips in this case, in this situation. Let's see though. Not in yet, chat. Not in yet. Gonna place a sell stop right here at 152.037 here though. Andre, you leaving runners there? Is that why you didn't close? Or you just never got 10 pips?
I didn't secure anything. I just moved stops break even. I got my target at 151.844.
Nice. Yeah.
So
Let's go, Andre. Dust off a little two trade. Little losing streak.
I didn't hear what you said. What?
I say you dusted off the 2 like losing streak.
Oh yeah. Honestly, I didn't even fucking act like it happened. You gotta just keep taking your same trades. Like this trade to me was super valid. So
when we get hesitant though, you know how it feels to get hesitant long term.
Yeah, I've been hesitant.
Yeah.
You've been hesitant. And like right now, if price pushes up and hits my break even, I'm not gonna even be salty. I'll be happy because I'll feel that my analysis for GJ was on point today. I was looking for sells. I took it on the hourly closure and Stuck to my plan. W day for me.
Look at that 4-hour candle. Woo! Nice. Our entry, by the way, our sell stop is on a regular weekly low, the monthly low, the daily lows, the 4-hour lows, the new 1-hour lows, 30-minute lows, plus a 15-minute closing below support. So, expecting a push.
If you get activated, I think I'll be completely ciao bella. I'll be good.
Yeah, you be goody goody. If you get a nice wick here before we drop, like you know, like let's say we push up towards like here or something, I'll enter. I'll place a sell stop now on the flip of the candle instead, because I want to enter on the open of the candle. We'll also save ourselves like maybe a pip and a half. Where a stop loss, it's gonna be the previous kind of high. So around 16 pips right now. We're looking at around 16 pips. Previous kind of high, which is also the 1-hour high, which is also the 4-hour high, is up here at 16 pips in this situation. So let's see.
Want to ask me if I'm gonna add position with yours? I'm not going to. I got stops to break even here, and I'm just letting this chill.
Yeah, because you're just letting it run, right?
Yeah.
There's no point in adding positions.
Yeah, I already took a position earlier. Took a position last night. Like, I'm feeling satisfied with this position. Looks like I might get stopped out of break even here, though.
Oof.
You got another 5 pips, right?
With spreads, I had like a 2 pip spread there, so I'm getting pretty close to my entry. Probably like 2 or 3 pips away now. More prices now.
Chat, we're not activated yet. I got sell stops at 152.037 here. So I did not place a short. I placed a sell stop. A sell stop at 152.037. Here, I'll put text on it.
Nuke equals full, right? Yeah, you did.
Is that where it is on your trader's domain?
I think my trader's minute's at, yeah, it's right there. But I think I'm gonna move it up now, chat, to the flip.
Okay.
I'm moving up to the flip now. The current candle lows instead. Actually, you know what? I'm moving back. Just because like that it's an extra like pip or two. It's actually,
I was just about to say.
yeah, it's the weekly lows,
mine.
monthly, and daily lows as well. Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it.
I was just about to say.
I got stop there, break even.
It's all goody. It was a good trade. Trade made sense. Same shit you do every time. Yeah. I'm gonna hop on, get my blind ass some glasses. Damn, you need glasses? 2 more glasses. I'm supposed to wear my blue light glasses, but that's a trot. Marcus, I swap glasses.
Cat. Best glasses ever. Such high quality.
Quality. Only got me see. Yo, any good philosophy books, chat? In the chat? Recommendations? Beautiful entry. Yep. The Andre entry was a beautiful entry. I would have taken the exact same one if it wasn't for the new 4-hour candle, because like everything made sense there. The 4-hour close below, 30-minute close below, 15-minute close below, 1-hour close below. Like everything was perfect there. And nothing was wrong with that. Nothing was wrong with that trade at all. Ooh, we have 30 minutes left for this kind of a close. I mean, 8 minutes left for this 30-minute close.
Good example on managing risk. This current 1 hour is looking like it wants to flip. So if you move stops to break even and manage your risk, then you aren't losing on that position. You're goody.
Again, chat, this forward candle is never, like the high is never going to be a guaranteed high until it actually closes, right? But it comes down to figuring out ways to increase the probability. In this case, we really need to kind of flip here for us to really drive down. We never flipped. Or we never flipped. You like Issey Miyake? Yeah. Issey. I like vintage Issey. Vintage Issey is cool. I was looking at the IS bomber actually. But I don't know, I gotta chill. I'm buying too much shit. Link not show. You can't send links in the chat, brother. Brother channel MMO. You can't send links in the chat. Alexandra Bello with the charts for the stream here. 1, did not get a closure below 4-hour key level on a 15-minute time frame. Received fake out with the ADM volume instead. 2, entry was taken as 15-minute candle flipped after creating a bottom wick following the fake out, anticipating volume to push price and maybe still fill the range. Market optimism is bullish. 3, 4-hour was still bullish during the entry. Price could not close below the range on the smaller time frames, anticipating moves with volume. Stops at break-even 10 pips secured. TP1 at 1811.5 for 31 pips. Full TPs at 40 pips. Another half was secured at the flip of this current candle, as it had not formed its bottom wick and respected the highs as well. Be humble and focus on yourself. I love it. This is a perfect chart here. I like the idea. Yeah. You get the nice onion play at the support for price to retest the highs here. For price to drive up to fill that range there. It's pretty clean, bro. Not much I can say. You send... I mean, sooner or later, man, you might get the best charts on the streams. You might surpass Jordan with his charts. I like the way the chart's being presented here. The presentation is lovely here. Nice text, bold numbers, W. Brother, you cannot send a YouTube link in the chat. All right, brother. Mods, get him out of here. Is that a YouTube link? I think that's a YouTube link. You can't send YouTube links, brother.
Got 10 a.m. news. You staying on?
Pardon?
You staying on for the 10 a.m. news?
I don't know.
It's kind of far away.
I'm waiting for this kind of a flip here. But let's see. What's DVS exactly? So DVS started with DVS, which originally we thought of Don Vos Squad. Okay, and then from there we're like, wait, DVS, that sounds like devious, you know, the term devious. And then from devious we couldn't spell obviously DVS. All the ads were taken, so we thought of names and it ended up being DVS, like DVS. So yeah, that's how that came up. And for some reason the chat liked the name Seaman a lot more. I don't know what you guys are on demon timing, but hey, I respect it. Yeah, like, for me to check charts, you gotta send it in a Discord server. So like we have a Discord server here, charts for stream, join that, and then send the charts in the charts for stream section. I don't miss on any of your charts as well by doing this too. So we might flip here, flipping. Okay, I see you, GJ. I see you. Will we flip to continue down, or will we just reject? I know in the next episode of
Interesante.
Every time you play that, I feel like you just said it. It
sounds
just like him. It sounds like exactly like you would say it right now.
What are these noises? Sounds like Andre and Marcus when they're in trade. Let's go back. You guys hear that? The fuck?
Ghost of life streams past.
Chop days suck for real. Chop days are the best days. Those are days where you can just like chill out and practice your discipline. Thought that is. That's what I did today, I guess. I mean, we took a trade earlier, but I'm thinking about starting a clothing called Renzo. Kind of sounds like my name, Shorin. Nice. Yeah, man. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter what the name is called, as long as the products are nice. And you could sell it, and you could what do you call it? Not sell it. You could advertise it, and people fuck with it. That's all that matters.
DM me for my address. I'll take something for free.
Send some to Control FX.
Whoa. Don't you have to pay like $50 at the door?
Yeah, bro. So chalk.
They mug you and take your shoes.
By the way,
Or
chat,
you even get a package.
I bought this item in Miami and I bought like tons of items ever since. But like I bought this item in June, and
Sterilize it.
finally yesterday it has finally been updated in tracking. It's been a month and a half. Like I was gonna just like cancel them or like put a claim on it, but I manifested them. Like, you know, this week the city's gonna move, and it moved. There it
We're
is.
checking it for COVID right now, I'm telling you.
Yeah, and you guys watch the Olympics?
I saw the first Puerto Rican athletics gold medal ever. It was yesterday.
I think Vietnam won one too. Surprisingly. Crazy. For what was it? What did we win for?
It was Philippines.
What was it? Wait, hold on. I think Vietnam won one. Oh no, we had won none. Okay, no, that was. I read something else. Never mind. No, yeah, Vietnam didn't win it.
How do you feel about this candle closure, Don?
Pardon?
How do you feel about this candle closure? 15 closing bullish, 30-minute closing bearish.
15-minute start play is what I see here. I'll be here for a while. China's in first right now. US is in. Wait. So whoever comes in first gets a medal for that as well, right? Is that how it works in the Olympics? Like, if your whole country comes in first, you get a separate medal for that as well, on top of your medals already.
I think there's team events and then there's individual events.
No, but like, you know how like at the end of it, like they calculate who has the most medals.
Yeah, I don't know if that's a. I don't
The
know if
US
that's a
calculates
competition, though.
total, and the rest of the world calculates just the gold medals.
Okay.
That's how they do leading.
But do you get an actual gold medal for getting the most gold medals?
No.
No. Okay.
You get a medal for having a medal? No.
It would just always be like the big countries: US, Russia, China, etc.
Japan's not doing bad. Japan's 17 medals.
Not unless you're investing that medal, and maybe like 20 years later you can have another medal.
It's real gold, obviously.
Yeah.
Yo, can't wait for the 100 meters relay 4x100. It's on 5th or 6th. Yeah, yo, chat, this is a perfect closure for a starter play. So not only did we close bullish, but we closed bullish respecting this resistance still. So we may get another opportunity here for sell positions. Oh, we have sell stops here. So looking good, looking good. Looking good, looking great. 30-minute wick fill as well. 30-minute close below that range as well. Not too shabby in it, mate.
In it.
In it. How do you know if the 4 hours made a proper pullback or not? You don't. You never truly know. However, you can go off of probability. So since like in this case we got the first 15-minute closure here and all that good stuff, in this situation here, we can anticipate that 15-minute closure or the first 30-minute closure of that candle was the first 4-hour kind of high as well. So in this situation, I would anticipate that to be the high of the 4-hour candle for price to drop down, because you truly never know until you actually close.
Did you guys know that the gold medals in the Olympics are actually all silver, just coated in gold. I think that's kind of a scam.
What about the bronze?
The bronze metals are made of copper, zinc, tin, and a very small amount of silver.
I mean, I wouldn't even go to the Olympics.
Well, honestly, you go to I guess win for your country, but I mean a medal, whatever. I guess
the gold medals are only 6 grams.
I think they get paid by their countries. Every country's like federation also allots money. I think for Olympic athletes, like, if they win, but it's not even like Russia will give their athletes like millions, and then like Philippines will give their athletes like fried rice and shit.
At 2.198. Oh, whether break the highs here, chat.
Damn.
Yeah, so if we break the highs here on the 4-hour candle, I will look to delete my sell stops in this situation here. However, we did not break the highs yet, so therefore we are still valid here. I mean, it will still be valid if the 4-hour would have break the highs as well, because we still close below the range here. But it's just that we're probably gonna have to wait for a steeper wick to be created, and we don't know where that's gonna end. But let's see. On to the reflip here. What's going on, chat? What's going on? Gold or GJ? Ooh, gold pushed up. Gold's in a nasty range here. Wow. In many years, retail trading forex was if in many years retail forex trading was much bigger, like 100x, you think it'll be easier to trade or harder? It'll be the same thing. Markets are markets at the end of the day. Markets will move off of whatever happens in the economy every day. And same thing for candles. Candles will have highs, they'll have lows, they'll have buys, they'll have closures. So therefore we'll still be trading the same way. Right? Oh wow. Okay, so you have NYSE here. The 4 candle has came out to break the highs. I am now deleting my sell stops as stops are a bit bigger now. However, there's still opportunities here, but as is right now, not much I can say. I think gold here as well, like we're pushing up to the top of the range. There's no sells for me obviously until we actually close below 1806 here, but I think I'm gonna call it a day, chat. I'm not trading news or anything, and the only opportunity I've seen here was just this last GJ position here. So I mean there's that. So hey, chat, man, I don't know what to say. I mean, I appreciate you coming today. It was an alright day. It wasn't bad. I think it was pretty valuable, especially with discipline and waiting for a topic to be formed. So I hope you guys understood that and learned from that. Other than that, I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning, guys. I appreciate you being here. Leave a like, subscribe if you guys are new. Thanks, mods. Thanks, moderators. Thanks, guys, for saying charts in too. Peace and love. Later.